Hiya, so I'm filming stuff for eventual, video content. I have no idea what I want to film, which is bad. I am at my house, which is being renovated, as you can see. This thing they're gonna change. This is a 3-room HDB that was built in 1988, so it's been like 30 years plus, as old as my sister. And in the past, of course, the space is much bigger, which is great. And but for this particular area, you see the gray area and the yellow area. The gray area was actually part of the kitchen, but I kind of like asked the contractor to tear down the storeroom inside and then push it in. So my living room is kind of bigger and I have more space for my dining table on the right side, and then on the left side is where I'm gonna be putting probably my video content. There will be one light here, my dining table area is here, and then my study area is here. Yeah, so this is my good feng shui area for popularity and I don't know, probably not fame and fortune, but popularity stuff. And we're gonna head into the kitchen, and this is the kitchen. So this space used to be the storeroom, and now it's pushed in, and now we're gonna go to the kitchen. Right inside here on the left we have the fridge area, and then built-in cabinets here. I'm gonna have an inbuilt oven here, and then cabinets up there, cabinets up here. Because I took down the storeroom, which was this area here, I took down the storeroom, I wouldn't have a place to store my things, so I'm gonna be building loads of cabinets in the kitchen. And it's actually really big. The kitchen space is quite big. I mean, if you look at it, I can have 2 people doing stuff here, and we will not bump bugs. So this is the kitchen. They cleaned up quite a lot. They rewired because it's so old. We need to rewire it. And there used to be a cabinet here, but they took it down because it was very, very low. And the walls, the new walls are great. They are so smooth. The old walls so rough, don't care. Here is where the kitchen sink will be, and here is where my washing machine will be. And I was quite lucky that I actually had the opportunity to go for the home improvement program. When I bought the house, the toilet was like the old type. It was really, really bad. And I realized that the home improvement program just went by then, and I was panicking. And then what eventually happened was my housing agent actually went down to HDB, blah blah blah, a lot of things, try to get the home improvement program okayed. Eventually it did, thank goodness, because it's only $500 for 2 toilets versus $3,000 for 2 toilets if I were to do like a regular renovation. So as you can see now, the paint is still the old yellow paint. I don't know why the auntie really like the yellow paint. And let us get into the I think let's get into the regular room first. So this is where the guest bedroom will be. I think let's just throw this thing out. Ask the auntie to give me. Doesn't really work. And we'll be building a cabinet right here. Perfect space for a cabinet. And then of course the air conditioning will be built here, and this will be my guest room and my main study. So if my mom visits, she'll have a place to stay. And this is my master bedroom, where there is a toilet. We will need to keep the toilet door closed. It's not good for feng shui. And these are stuff my sister bought from Taobao that we will be putting up eventually. And of course there's space here, and my bed will be kind of like right here. And then they covered up the walls because they did the air conditioning. I like it that they did this, so there's no weird space. And the air compressor is outside, and of course the toilet, we had so we had the home improvement here as well. They helped put up the heater, and then a nice toilet. Yep. And then the air conditioning, like waste home. This is kind of like my renovation journey. I have a contractor. I do not have an interior designer because I didn't want to pay the extra fees. And the contractor is like the cousin-in-law of my sister's like good friend, so good things. He has been really helpful because I really don't know anything at all. He has been great. And the thing is, right, people tell me, oh my gosh, you should go check in on your renovation progress. I really don't. This is a weekend. I just dropped down. No one knows I'm here. I just do not have the time, do not have the energy to come all the way down to supervise people doing the renovation. So I kind of like, I kind of don't care. So if you're someone who cares, maybe it's very important for you, but I really don't care. So I'm just like, come here, check it out, looks great, then that's fine. And of course, where the lights should be, I'm not gonna show you because you will see my unit number there. So I think I'll just patch this whole video up and upload it. If you have any questions about renovations, actually don't ask me if you have any questions, but if you have any advice actually about renovation, let me know. I'll be discussing the cabinets next week, and hopefully by September I'm gonna be able to move in and I will have my place. Yay. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this on top here. I'm gonna have the laundry rack that goes up and down. So yeah, very excited.